Hello my people, let me show you how you can add material banner in this app. This is the new template for Flutter 2.5. If you don't have this, check in the description of this video. I will show you how you can get this. So we'll put our material banner here, and here on this text we'll put a button. So let's start. Let's come here and go to lib and go to source and go to simple feature, and we'll put it here, simple item details view. And let me hide this, Control B, and let me just delete this text, more information here, and let me put elevated button, and here let me just put text, and let me do show banner, and here let me put just anonymous function, and let me remove this constant here, and let me put a constant here. In the new version you have to use the word constant too much, and let me just come here at the top and here at the top and create an material banner. Do material and do material, and let me do this. Let's do this, build context and do content, put context and context, and let's implement this. It will return a material banner, and in material banner let's start by putting content, and content have to be a text, and in the text let me put, do you want to save this? This is an example. For example, a user is leaving a screen without saving the message or the text. Let's remind him, and let me do style and text style, and let me just put in the next line so you can see text style. Let me put font size, let's do 22.0, and here I have to put a constant, so the error will go, and then put here a semicolon, and I have to put actions. It is very necessary here, so let me just come here and do actions. Let me just put the action one, I call icon button to cancel if we don't want. Let's put anonymous function. We'll come back later here, and here we have icon. Let's do icon and do icons dot cancel rounded, and here we have to put constant. Constant will be used many times in this version of Flutter 2.5. And let's put a text button, and here the text, let me do text, and let me do yes save, and let me just copy this style to save some time, and let me put here 9:10. Let me save this, and here I have to put constant, and let me just here put also anonymous function, I think we have our banner, and let's come here on this, on show banner. Let's do ScaffordMessenger dot of context. Then we will do show material banner, and then the here material banner will take an argument, a context, and let's put a semicolon and save this. And yeah, let me run this and we will see. Let me do Flutter run -v. Okay, our app is coming, so let's see. I hope everything will work. That's fine. So this is our button, show banner. Let's click it. This is our banner. So let's put a color here so that you can see the difference. Let me just go back to our banner and we put a color and do background color and do colors dot, let me do amber accent. Yeah, this is the color. And also another thing, here on the icon button here, as you can see, we can cancel if we don't want to save our file or our message. We can click on that icon. So let me just put here a size so you can increase the size. Then put 27 as the size, and let me just put here scaffold to dismiss our material banner. You do scaffold dot of context. It is the same thing, but here you will do hide the current banner. It is simple. Hide the current banner. Let me save this and let me hold reload shift R. So let's see if we have our effects. As you can see, the color have changed to yellow. And let me just, do you want to save this? I can just cancel this by clicking here. As you can see, it is gone. And if you want, you can click here, yes, save. And if you have another action, it will continue. But I think here I have to put a question mark. Yeah, so it will be a question. Refresh. Cancel. As you can see, okay, do you want to save this? Can cancel this. I'll show it again. Yeah, this is how you implement the new material banner in the new Flutter, and I think it can work also on other Flutter versions. You have the newest one. Okay, see you in the other video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and if you like this channel, and I will see you in another video. And if you have any question, just ask it in the comments. Peace.